Alright, since your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote refusing to connect in some way, don't worry, let's reset and repair it. So first, you need to turn off the TV stick. So there are two ways to do that. You can either unplug the stick completely, from the back of your TV, or maybe if reaching behind the TV is difficult for you, you can also unplug the power adapter from the power source if it's plugged into any source. Now, to perform the reset, grab the remote, and what you're going to do is just press and hold the menu button, back and left navigation button all together at the same time for about 15 to 20 seconds. Make sure you're pressing the buttons properly. You can just try it a couple of times just to be sure the reset is complete. After that, remove the batteries from the remote for a couple of minutes and then insert it back again. And you can just plug the stick back in or reconnect the power adapter, whichever you've unplugged earlier. And after a few moments, turn on your TV. Now, most of the time, your remote gets automatically connected when you turn your TV back on. If it's not happening naturally, just grab your remote again, press and hold the home button like this until you see a blinking orange or yellow LED. Just wait a bit. The LED will turn off, which means the remote has paired with your Fire TV stick once again. You can also press any navigation button to speed up the process. And you should see a pop-up on the screen confirming that the remote is now connected. And that's the proper way to factory reset your Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote. Thanks for your time.